what makes the and asset different from everything else that they've been taught to invest in?
I feel like I am a broken record, but this is such a good question. The and asset is not an investment. So when people say, "Oh, what about a Roth? What about real estate? What about business?" Like literally, I'm talking to somebody right now that could give me a ton, like massive rate of return in an investment. The and asset is not an investment, and so when people usually compare it, they're comparing it to saying, "I can get a better rate of return." Most of our clients are entrepreneurs. Why? Because you are your greatest asset. Your number one investment should be in your business, your ability to produce, and the and asset is just going to give you a better way to do that because it is the only paper asset that will allow your money to continue to grow and contractually guarantee you have access to capital to borrow against. Like in the contract, it says you have access to your money because you are part owner in this company. And so now it is one of the only places that you can allow your capital to continue to grow tax-free long-term and have access to money. I won't say your money, to the insurance company's money to invest or use. And so like the name, the and, we're giving it $1 2 jobs or 3 jobs rather than just one. That is the biggest difference. And it's like a safe way to leverage your money. And throughout time, there creates an efficiency there. And then when I draw my like little stick figure, it's like the only drawing that I can do. And I essentially show you six ways that your dollar can move. And I just pose a question: if you could give $1 more than one job, you will win in the end. Because if it can grow the rest of your life and you can still have access to that capital, and oh, by the way, because of the permanent death benefit, it's going to show up powerfully in retirement. And oh, by the way, it's going to protect you and has a bunch of other benefits, by the way, if you got long-term care or disabled. And then it also allows you to save a whole lot more money because you have control over it. And it also is an asset that helps you show up more powerfully in your life. It just makes sense to have. And it's not because it's the investment, it's because it's just a great foundational asset to own. And I promise you, I'm the most passionate person about life insurance. That may or may not be true, but it's not. Again, it's not because it's weird for me to say that, because a lot of people, there's just so much bad information, and that's why we are doing a podcast. And that's why we have a YouTube channel, and that's why I love when people are helping us share this message, because it needs to be shared. Hey, I want to thank you so much for watching this video to the end. This video is on life insurance, and if you have more questions about life insurance, infinite banking, why you should overfund it, we have a link below that goes to our And Asset Vault. This is a free vault that gives you everything you need to know about life insurance. We have case studies, we have a calculator on there, we have a handbook, we have frequently asked questions, we go through a process. I have my masterclass on there. We literally want to be the one-stop shop for every life insurance decision. And so if you want to learn more, click the link below, and we look forward to educating and maybe opening your mind and eyes to the power of life insurance.